Okay, let's follow the app's guide to calibrate the lock. Continue. Okay, we choose do not use the door sensor. Rotate your lock until it's locked. Okay, until it's locked. Next. Rotate your lock until it's unlocked. Unlocked. Next. Now it appears your lock has been successfully calibrated. Continue. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. We will see now it is locked, locked, unlocked. But we operate from the apps. We can lock it, then we can unlock. After unlock, we cannot lock it anymore because the apps cannot get the state of the August open state. Okay.